Let's start with the hack. $1.4 billion is missing. Where'd it go? Who lost it? Break it down, Jordy.
Okay, so as usual, once a month in crypto, $1 billion is stolen.
It's really like, I saw this, you told me about this article and I was like, okay, like why should I care about this one?
I don't know why it is, but it seems like it's always toward as the market starts to dip that the chaos really kicks off. But anyways, so
yeah, break it down.
For those that are hearing this for the first time, Ethereum is falling at the moment as crypto exchange Bybit confirms a $1.4 billion hack. So this was going down this morning. I woke up around 4:30. I think news was like starting, or there was rumors.
Yep.
By early this morning, the CEO had confirmed that there was indeed a hack.
Okay.
Crypto prices are broadly falling Friday, following confirmation that major centralized crypto exchange Bybit was hacked after $1.4 billion worth of tokens were stolen in a hack. And so, the hacks in crypto happen on centralized exchanges. In many ways, those are more rare and that there's more controls put in place. They're more professionalized. A lot of the high-profile hacks have just happened on these sort of DeFi protocols where one person has the keys for a wallet.
Yeah, it's more like social engineering, right? Like there's an engineer who had the key to the actual wallet and they clicked on a phishing link. Or they got scammed, or they
or a North Korean dev gets
pushed some code,
etc.
Exactly.
So anyways, what happened here? More than $1.4 billion worth of Ethereum and staked Ethereum were withdrawn from Bybit's hot wallet on Friday, and a large chunk of the funds were being sold via decentralized exchanges. So there's actually a graphic of this. I don't know if we have it lined up on the show.
Up on the show.
But
you can scroll down.
Basically, this $1.4 billion was stolen and then immediately distributed across hundreds of wallets to be sold off.
Sure.
And so that's obviously a lot of sell pressure on Ethereum.
Yep.
Bybit co-founder and CEO Ben Zhou confirmed the attack in a post on X, saying that a planned transfer was manipulated in some way and that the funds were swiped.
Yeah, here I'll read these. Bybit ETH multi-sig cold wallet just made a transfer to our warm wallet about an hour ago. It appears that this specific transaction was musked. I don't know what that means. All the signers saw the musked UI, which showed the correct address and URL was from @safe. However, the signing message was about to change. Bybit ETH multi-sig. So I actually don't understand any of that. Do you understand what happened? What does musked mean?
I mean, to be clear, he's just sharing sort of like internal. So it's possible this is a typo and it should have said masked.
Masked, okay.
I actually don't know.
Okay. However, the signing message was to change the smart contract logic of our ETH cold wallet. The hacker took control of the specific ETH cold wallet we signed and transferred all ETH in the cold wallet to this unidentified address. All other cold wallets are secure. All withdrawals are normal. Ethereum is down 3% on the hour to a current price of $2,727, while Bitcoin has dipped nearly 1% to $98,000, which is kind of where Bitcoin's been trading around for the last month or two.
And so a security researcher, Zach XBT, had sort of front run Ben's, the CEO's post saying that there were suspicious outflows from Bybit and that a source confirmed to him that it was a security incident.
Yep.
And he has since added that the ETH is being split between 39 different addresses as the attacker apparently tries to muddle the flow of funds to make them harder to track. And so some other people had commented that it's very difficult to steal $1.4 billion even in crypto, right? Because how do you have to get those funds if you want to actually use those funds in the real world, unless you're, part of some global crime syndicate, you've got to get them into a bank account. And even that, so a lot of steps to actually get those from.
And there used to be services like, what was it? Tornado Cash, where you could kind of put money in and then anonymously withdraw it. And it was very messy, but I believe that was shut down because it was such a money laundering front. It was very controversial because, math is illegal now.
Yeah.
I don't exactly know where I stand on that. I mostly am just kind of learning the facts on that one, but it is an interesting case. It is crazy. I wonder how much of this will actually be retrieved, because you can imagine, there's some sort of expected value calculation from these hackers. They're like, we'll steal 1.4 billion, but we'll send it off all over this place. Even if we just walk away with 100 million, that's great. Totally worth our time.
Yeah. Somebody was commenting on X saying the hackers should just take a couple $100 million as a fee, give the rest back, because they just wouldn't be able to launder it anyways.
So
the CEO's come out and said Bybit is solvent even if the hack loss is not recovered. All of client assets are are 1-to-1 backed and we can cover the loss. And so ultimately, like, this could be a scenario where I don't know what kind of scale Bybit has, but if they have to basically use equity to backstop this $1.4 billion, I mean, really, ultimately damaging to all the shareholders, but at the same time that the shareholders should have responsibility for the security and safety of the assets. And so if they come out and say your funds aren't safe on Bybit, they basically wouldn't have a viable business anymore unless people just forgot that their assets were on there. So
it'll be interesting to see where this goes, and if they can track people down. I'm sure CoffeeZilla is staying busy.